Okay, let's just take a minute and appreciate this model's smile. Okay, thank you. My name is Mike and welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. Thank you. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen an image using Adobe Photoshop. Now I'll just go straight to the point. First thing you need to do, you take the background layer and duplicate it. Let's give it a name. For example, Sharpen. That will do. Next, we go to the filter, other, hypers. Now you want to give it a radius that whereby you want to see these details right here. You only need to see the major details, not all this. So we are going to reduce it a little bit to around 1.8. That should do. Okay, now blending mode, we're going to change it to overlay. Now you can already see the difference. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. This is the before and this is the after. So that's it if you want to sharpen the entire image. But let's say you want to only sharpen her cheeks or her eyebrows only. What are you going to do? So on this sharpen layer, you are going to create a layer mask by clicking right here. You can see this. Take a moment and look at it closely. Click there. Okay, now we are going to invert the layer. So I'll just press Ctrl I. Now take the brush, change it to white color and paint over the part you want to sharpen. Now let's sharpen her eyebrows. You can see I'm sharpening her eyebrows. I can also sharpen her eyelashes. Before, after, before, after. So that's it guys for today. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.